This is one of the things that people ask me a lot, especially as we begin to dive into the program with people. I'm afraid of what's going to come out. I'm afraid of what I've never talked about before. I'm afraid to share this. I'm afraid to confront this. And what I tell people is that if we don't confront these things, if we don't open these things up, if we don't shed light on these situations, these things are going to consistently affect you for the rest of your life, like stress, anxiety, worry, paranoia, low self-confidence, depression, addictions, impulsivities, poor boundaries, poor decision-making, confusion, victim mindset. So when people are afraid or they ask me that, it's the reason why I have the guidebook. It's the reason that I teach through the OPT medicine wheel. So it takes people into these places softly, gently. Nothing's rushed, nothing's forced. Everything is in the person's timing. Poco a poco, little by little, because these places are scary. They are sensitive. When I take people to those places and have these conversations and have these realizations, we want to make sure that we're doing that in a safe way, in a way that people feel comfortable, so that they can accept who they are. They can reconcile their past, and they can have a new perspective on the future for their life.